In order to start the engine, I have assembled the gearbox, also the clutch, not the final assembly. Also, this is the old gearbox that I will not use for this motorcycle, and I have to modify this stand that I use for starting engines, especially the Russian Boxer engines. So I had to cut these mounts from here and here, put some taller mounts and in another position for this engine. And also now I have to make a mount here in the front of the engine. So I have bought some materials for doing that. And this will be the shape of the stand that I'm doing for starting the engine. So I have made the first part. I have made the holes, and also I have bolted the part. And this part will be on the sideways to be bolted on the stand here and here, and also here where I have this mount. I have finished to modify the stand for starting the engine. I have soldered here, made the holes for bolts here and here, soldered also here on the bottom. I have made a mount for the ignition coil. The ignition coil is new, 6 volt. I have completed the ignition, put the capacitor, because I want to start the engine with the original ignition system. And I need now to put the carburetor here. I have put the oil inside here, and these are the carburetors. This is a replica, it was on the bike, it is functional, and this is an original SAM carburetor. I think we have a part missing here, but otherwise it's mostly complete, and it is looking good. I will not start the engine now with this carburetor, I will use this one. The goal in this moment, it is not to check this part, but to start the engine and to see the oil coming through here, through these pipes. That means if we have oil here on the head, that means all the lubrication, it is working fine. We have also an electronic ignition system. This is the plate which is you have to assemble inside the ignition system. This is the rotor. We have here various washers and connectors. This is the spark plug, ignition wire. This is the plug, the ignition coil, like we have seen before. All these systems I will assemble and test after I will start the engine. So I have made the connections. This is the wire from the points and capacitor to the connector with number 1 here. Here we have the plus for the ignition coil. Is a connector named 15. The black is the ground, disconnected to the engine. And now I just have to check if I have spark. Yes, I have spark. It is okay. We have spark at every turn. Now I can put the spark plug, and after that I just need some gas. And now I have to put some gas. This gas, it is a little old, but I will try anyway. If not, I will change the gas. Well, it started and we have oil. This is important. We have oil here.